In this video, we are going to show you how to assemble LiteFoot insulating concrete forms. LiteFoot is an insulating concrete form for commercial and residential frost-protected foundations. Before you begin, make sure the grade work is smooth, level, and ready for placing your LiteFoot forms. LiteFoot comes in 8-foot-long sections. Place the LiteFoot sections along your foundation per the plan. Cut the forms to length. Save the drop pieces as these can be used in other areas of the project if needed. To form T-intersections, simply line up your LiteFoot forms and cut away the inside form wall. LiteFoot pieces can be mitered cut to form 90-degree corners. Support the corners using low expansion foam adhesive and fiber reinforcing tape. Drive 18-inch long pieces of number 4 rebar into the ends of the forms to keep them in place. For areas where the form ends, simply use the bottom of the form as an end cap. Measure the height, mark, and cut. Using a good foam adhesive, fiber tape, and the fiber fasteners or 4-inch screws. Adhere the end cap to the form face. Be sure the form is clean and free of dirt and debris. Using the fiber reinforcing tape, run lengths across the top of the form and down at least 6 inches on each side. The cross tape should be applied at least every 24 inches along the forms and across any glued seams. Place concrete per the mix design required by the local building code. Always follow local building code requirements for reinforcing in the footings. We want your project to go smoothly, so if you have any installation questions, contact your Liteform ICF supplier or visit with one of our customer service specialists at Liteform Technologies.